Up first this evening, if you do not pay your traffic tickets, you may be stopped at the airport when entering or leaving the country. The Transport Minister, Robert Montague, made that declaration today during his sectoral presentation to Parliament. Unruly motorists will also have tough times ahead. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm explains.
A new Road Traffic Act with tough penalties awaiting approved regulations to take effect. The aim is to replace chaos with decency on the roads through things like electronic systems to capture those who run a red light, for example.
License plate reading tied to our database will see tickets issued electronically, and if not paid, cars will not be able to renew their registration. We will soon begin a discussion with PICA so that you will also be able to be stopped at the airport if you don't pay your ticket.
Bus and taxi operators will also have a hard time.
Drivers with 10 or more tickets will now see their licenses and badges being suspended or cancelled.
That issue aside, Mr. Montague commended public passenger vehicle operators for wearing their new uniforms. 85% of them have been compliant. 7,000 illegal operators or robots have received licenses since last year. The Transport Minister, however, pointed to adjustments in the liberalization program.
No new taxi license will be issued for Kingston and St. Andrew. And let me give a quick word, because we are hearing words that people are planning to apply outside of Kingston and then come into Kingston to run. If they do, the license will be cancelled and they will be banned, the driver and the vehicle, from operating in the system for a year.
All vehicles in the public transportation system will have to get a tracking device. Those in operation have until April 1, 2020 to do so. New applicants should, however, get a tracking device from now.
The owner of the vehicle will be required to monitor themselves. They will not be required to provide a constant fee to the Transport Authority, but the owners must make the information available to the Transport Authority and the police or any authorized body if needed, because the owners will now be required to keep the fee for at least 30 days.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.